Hey, thanks for tuning in again. I just wanted to go back to SnapCore first for a minute and teach you guys something that I recently learned about moving buttons and how topic pages are organized and what to be careful of. It's just good to know these things before you start moving buttons around, just for planning. All right, let's get started. So we are going to go to, I'm just going to hit topics since we're going to talk about that anyway in a little bit. And then I'm going to go to the camping page and I am going to go up to the top right where you see the settings wheel with the pencil on it, and I'm going to click that. And you can see now it's an edit function. So it's blue on the top and there's a done. It says done on the top right, which when you're done editing, that's what you're going to click. And then there are the symbols on the sides. And then on the bottom, you can see button, page, page set, user, and system. Real quick, I just wanted to see, just to show you guys in case you don't remember how to hide a button. I don't know, it just came to my mind. If you want to hide a button, you're going to tap that button and then you're going to go to the side here where there's an eye with a line in it, and you're going to click it and you can see that that button changed. And then when you hit done up on the top right, it's gone, but it's not really gone. You can't see it. Then click the edit again. If you want it to be seen again, then you just click it again in edit mode, and then you hit the eye, and it's back. I'm gonna hit done so that you can see. There it is. Okay, I didn't plan to do that, but I just decided to, I guess. All right, so we're gonna move a button. So we're in edit mode again, and we're going to take our finger. I'm gonna move the I'm gonna move let's go soon. And you're gonna touch it and you're gonna keep your finger on it. And then there's a couple ways to move it. If I wanna just move it to where the back to camp is, I'm just gonna put it right on top and then you'll see it moved, and then you let go. There's another way to move. Let's say this is the way it's set up and I wanna move the let's go soon and in between the invite friends and back to camp. Instead of hovering it over back to camp, you can just put your finger on it, keep your finger there, drag it, and then drop it in between those two buttons and let go. Okay, so the thing that I wanted to show you that I just recently learned is, maybe you guys already know, that these topic pages are organized in a specific way. So if you look up top, the top row, you can see that the buttons are outlined in blue. And these are all questions. I'm going to take this out of edit mode. There we go. And
want to go camping? Where is our campsite?
Okay, so those are all questions. And then the next two rows are, the borders are in orange.
Let's go camping. Let's go soon.
Those are all comments. Kind of cool. And then if you go down to the 1, 2, 3, 4th row down, they are all, actually not all of them. The first three have green borders and they're all positive comments.
I love camping. There is so much to do.
And then the two on the right the borders are negative. The borders are red because they are negative comments.
The bathroom is gross. I don't like camping.
All right, sorry about the voice. This isn't my favorite voice, but just to save time, I'm using the one that's on there right now. Then in the bottom, you can see on the bottom row, you can see that the borders are purple, and these are you can just add whatever messages you want. So there's a suggestion to, when you're moving buttons and creating buttons, just keep in mind that they're organized in a specific way, and it's good to keep them organized in that same way if you can, because it just allows for the user to locate buttons in the future, like the types of buttons in the future, and then learn future vocabulary, because these are up, they know the positive, the questions are up top, the comments in the middle, and then positive and negative in a certain section also. So just something to keep in mind, because You know, we can move buttons, change buttons. We just always want to be careful and think ahead to, you know, what are we going to do in the future? And should I move this here? Should I move it there? Should I, you know, really get rid of this button? That type of thing. So if you guys have any questions about that, just let me know. If you have any comments, anything that I missed,